Hey you guys, so we're starting off with bell peppers, red onion, garlic, fresh collard greens, and in this skillet I am sauteing my red onions, adding garlic, salt, just depends. Y'all know I'm not supposed to have any salt, y'all, but I need some for this. I'm going to add some all Greek seasoning. And something new I got is Caribbean tradition. It's ginger and garlic mixed together. I'm going to just continue sauteing, letting it brown a little bit. I went ahead and added my red bell pepper. Y'all see it's looking all golden. That's how I like it. Now I'm going to add my mustard greens. Oh, I can't remember if it's a mustard or color, y'all. Please forgive me. It's one of them. Yes, I'm just blending in my greens. I'm going to saute these as well. Now I'm going to chop up my oyster mushroom, y'all. This is a good protein substitute. I mean, it has chicken texture. Look at it. It's so good. It's seasoned really well when you add it into your spices. Okay, now my greens and my veggies are looking how I want it. I'm going to add my oyster mushrooms, shredded oyster mushrooms into my mixture. Give it a little stir. Yes, almost done, you guys. It's looking so delicious. I'm going to cover it up for a bit. And then, now it's ready. I added Penna Pasta and some sauteed potatoes on the side. And served my meal, you guys. It was so good. The ingredients will be listed below. This is quick, simple, and easy. Like, comment, subscribe.